Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best Smart TV box. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. A Smart TV box is a compact device that transforms any standard television into a Smart TV, offering access to a wide range of digital content and services. By connecting to the internet, these boxes allow users to stream movies, TV shows, and music from popular platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify. They also support apps, games, and web browsing, bringing the versatility of a smartphone or tablet to the big screen. With various models available, each offering unique features and performance levels, Smart TV boxes have become a popular choice for enhancing home entertainment systems. Number 5. Woopker ATV Q1 Smart TV Box. The Woopker ATV Q1 sports a compact and lightweight design, weighing in at just 0.4 kilograms, making it easy to set up and inconspicuous in your entertainment setup. The build quality is solid for its price point, with a durable casing that feels sturdy. Powered by the all-winner H313 CPU and male G31MP2 GPU, the device runs on Android 10.0, ensuring smooth performance for most tasks. The system can handle 4K content at 60 Hz, providing crisp and vibrant video output, especially with support for HDR standards like HLG and HDR10. The inclusion of 1GB or 2GB DDR3 RAM options, paired with 8GB or 16GB of internal storage, is sufficient for basic streaming and app usage, though heavy multitaskers might find the lower-end models slightly limiting. The Woopker ATV Q1 offers robust connectivity options, including dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, supporting 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable and fast connection for streaming and other online activities. The inclusion of two USB 2.0 ports allows for easy connection of peripherals, while the HDMI 2.0 output ensures high-quality video transmission to your TV. The 100M Ethernet port is a welcome addition for those who prefer wired connection for more stable internet performance. Number 4. Xiaomi Smart TV Box. The Xiaomi Smart TV Box is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system without breaking the bank. Powered by a quad-core Cortex-A55 CPU and a Mali T764 GPU, this device ensures smooth performance and decent graphics quality, making it perfect for streaming content or running basic apps. The inclusion of Android 8.1 provides a familiar and user-friendly interface, although it's a bit dated compared to the latest Android versions. With 2GB DDR3 RAM and 8GB of internal EMP storage, the box offers enough capacity for casual use, though heavy app users might find the storage a bit limiting. However, the option for system upgrades and auto updates ensures that the software remains current, which is a significant plus for a device in this category. One of the standout features is the built-in Google Cast, which allows seamless casting from mobile devices to the TV. The Bluetooth 5.2 capability further enhances connectivity options, making it easy to pair with various wireless peripherals like headphones, game controllers, or external speakers. Number 3. Xiaomi Mi 2nd Gen Smart TV Box. The design of the Xiaomi Mi 2nd Gen Smart TV Box is minimalistic and sleek, featuring a compact black body that easily blends into any entertainment setup. Its lightweight build makes it portable and easy to set up in different rooms. Powered by a quad-core Cortex-A55 CPU clocked at 2 GHz and paired with 2GB of DDR3 RAM, the performance is smooth and responsive. Navigating through the Android 11 interface is generally snappy, and the device handles streaming, browsing, and app usage efficiently. With 8GB of EMP internal storage, it provides enough space for apps and essential media. However, heavy users might find the storage a bit limited, especially if you download a lot of apps or offline content. The Xiaomi Mi 2nd Gen Smart TV Box supports wireless connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.2, which ensures stable connections for your wireless peripherals. However, it lacks an Ethernet port, which could be a downside for users who prefer wired connections for more stable streaming. Number 2. SkyBeats X88 Pro 13 Smart TV Box. The X88 Pro 13 features a compact and lightweight design, measuring 107x107x21mm, and weighing just 300 grams. This makes it easy to place anywhere in your entertainment setup without taking up much space. The build quality is decent, with a minimalist aesthetic that should blend in well with most living room setups. Under the hood, the X88 Pro 13 is powered by a Rockchipar K3528 CPU and a Mali 450MP2 GPU, which, while not top of the line, are sufficient for most streaming tasks. The device is available in multiple RAM and storage configurations, ranging from 2GB RAM with 16GB storage to 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. This flexibility allows users to choose a model that best fits their needs and budget. The X88 Pro 13 offers a good range of connectivity options, including 802.11 AC and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and Ethernet 100M. The inclusion of both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports allows for flexible peripheral connections, while the HDMI-compatible 2.0 port ensures reliable video output to your TV. However, it lacks advanced features like Google Cast and IPTV support, which may limit its appeal to more tech-savvy users. Number 1. VONTAR X4 Smart TV Box. The VONTAR X4 is compact and lightweight, weighing just 0.4 kilograms. Its minimalist design ensures it blends well with most home entertainment setups. The device comes with a remote control, making navigation simple and convenient. Powered by the Amlogic S905X4 quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 CPU and a Mali G31MP2 GPU, the VONTAR X4 delivers smooth and responsive performance. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing apps, or running games, the processing power is more than sufficient for everyday use. The VONTAR X4 offers multiple internal storage options: 32GB, 64GB, and 128GB, catering to different storage needs. With 4GB DDR3 RAM, multitasking is efficient, allowing users to switch between apps without noticeable lag. One of the standout features is its Ethernet support with speeds up to 1000 m, ensuring a stable and fast internet connection. The device also supports wireless connectivity and Bluetooth, providing flexibility in connecting peripherals or streaming content. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.